Hi everyone, Billy here with Tradewinds Travel, back with another travel recipe. In Chapel Hill, North Carolina, there used to be a restaurant called Crook's Corner. And the chef there, Bill Smith, grew up in eastern North Carolina. And growing up, he remembered those citrus pies that they used to have. They had a Ritz cracker crust and a yolky filling with either lime or lemon. And so he wanted something like that at his restaurant. So he experimented and came around, and he finally found the filling that he liked. So he's getting ready to do it. He didn't have any Ritz crackers. All he had were saltines. So he made a crust with saltines. And he called it Atlantic Beach Pie. So I'm going to make this Atlantic Beach Pie for you today. Now this saltine crust, yes, it is a little salty, but it counteracts the sweetness of the filling. Before we get started, kindly give this video a thumbs up, hit the subscribe button, and ring the bell to stay updated on more mouth-watering dishes. To make Atlantic Beach Pie, you will need 1½ sleeves of saltine crackers, 3 tablespoons of sugar, 1 stick of butter softened, 4 large egg yolks, 1 14-ounce can of sweetened condensed milk, and 1/2 cup of freshly squeezed lemon juice. First, we'll start with the crust. So you need to take 1½ sleeves of saltines and crush them up. You can do it in the food processor, but I would rather do it by hand, just because the food processor can turn it into crumbs, and you don't want that. So just get in there and get it all good and crunched up. Now to this, you'll add 3 tablespoons of sugar. Stir that up. And now here comes the fun part. You take a stick of butter that is very soft, dump it down in there, and then with your impeccably clean hands, you just squeeze all of that together and get the crackers and the butter all good and mixed, just like this. So you have to get it all between your fingers and everything. Get them real gooey and buttery. Now, you know it's done when you can sort of make a ball out of it. Okay, so once that's done, put it in your pie plate. Mash it out up on the sides. Get it good and firm. Just like that. Okay, so the crust is ready. So the first thing we need to do is we need to put it in the refrigerator for 15 minutes to let it cool good, and then we put it in the oven at 350 for about 15 to 20 minutes. So I'll check it after 15, after it comes out of the refrigerator. Okay, so the crust is out of the oven. If you see, it's lightly browned. So we just let it sit here and cool for a little bit. It doesn't need to cool completely while we make the filling. So to make the filling, you need 4 egg yolks. Beat those up a little bit. And then we're going to add 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. This is that really thick stuff. I don't know if you've ever tasted it by itself. It's really sickening sweet by itself. But in other stuff, it's really good. Okay, so mix all of this together, the eggs and the sweetened condensed milk. And then we add 1/2 cup of lemon juice, freshly squeezed. Do not use the bottle stuff. Now to this, I added the zest of 1 lemon. The recipe didn't call for that, but I think it will help give it a little more lemony flavor. All right, we get that all mixed up, and then we just pour it into the cracker pie shell. Okay, I believe the filling is set, so now we're going to take it out. Oh yeah. See how good that looks. So what we have to do, we have to let this cool completely, and then we'll put it in the refrigerator overnight. And then tomorrow we'll make up our whipped cream topping for it, and then we'll cut into it and see what it's like. So we'll see you in the morning. All right, it's the next morning, and the pie has cooled overnight, so now we're going to put the whipped cream on it. Now, I've made whipped cream, homemade. It's really good. It's the best. You can use Cool Whip. You could use Ready Whip. You could use anything you want to, but I have chosen to make the real stuff. So all you do, you see how the pie looks. So you just dollop it on. We want to make this look like those diner pies that are, the meringue and the whipped cream is just piled up really high. So I'm going to bring it all the way to the edge. Bring this all the way out to the edge, just like that. Get it even. And you can do decorative swirls if you like. Just like that. And then I will sort of clean up the edges, and then we will cut it and see what it tastes like. Okay, so we've cut it. I want to show you what it looks like on the inside. You can see the different layers. You see the crust, the filling, and of course the whipped cream on top. Looks really good. So now here comes the main part. We're going to taste it. So here we go. Wow. I've never had a saltine cracker crust before. The saltiness really balances out the sweet. That's really great. You'll have to try this. So you can't go to Cook's Corner anymore in Chapel Hill to get this, so you're going to have to make it for yourself. It's very easy to make. So whip it up for you for your next party or just for your next Tuesday night dessert, whichever. So until next time, happy travels.